Sino po may-ari nung bahay?
Sa ngayon po, sir, as yung nabanggit po kahapon, it's a property, a corporate property. I think it was owned by Mr. Harry Roque. Yes, sir.
Paano po lumabas yung pangalan ni si former Secretary Harry Roque when we do not have any evidences linking Secretary Harry Roque to the said house? To former Secretary Harry Roque, well, you just have heard the statement of Yusek Gilbert Cruz that linking you to the said Chinese nationals. Kilala niyo po ba itong dalawang tao na nahuli ng PAOK?
Hindi ko po kakilala itong dalawang tao. In fact, yung isa, sabi naman po ni Yusek, ay kakarating lang na bansa ng July, yung babae. Yung isa, ang pagpapakilala niya, ay siya'y Cambodian, no? So, hindi ko po kilala kung sino yung Cambodian na yan.
So you are aware of this contract of lease?
I'm aware of this contract of lease with this woman po, no? At ako nga po ang nagsabi na...
But you have never met this person?
I've met her po.
Ah,
Yes,
so-
I met her. In
Kasi
fact,
kanina po, Mr. Roque, when I asked you, sabi niyo po, hindi niyo kilala.
hindi po, yung
that
lalaki
you're,
po. Yung
but
lalaki
now
na
you're
Cambodian.
telling this committee na na-meet mo man pala yung
Yung
lessor.
lessee po.
Yung lessee.
Oo, yung
Oo.
lessee po. Na-meet
Oo.
po.
Pero of course, the admission of Mr. Roque that he truly owns the house, no? Kasi hindi ka naman magpapalis. You're the one who signed the contract of lease.
Well, we have
Yung
an
wife
interest
mo,
in the
ikaw
corporation po.
nagsapirma.
Yung wife ko po,
But
hindi
you
ko po
already
tinatanggi
admitted.
naman yan,
You're,
no?
you already admitted earlier.
Oh.
I'm just curious kasi. For the past several months, medyo mainit talaga ng pogo. And it seems your name always crops up. Una yung kay Cassandra Leong. Your name was involved. Then itong pangalawa, itong sa raid ng bahay mo, your name again is involved. So, hindi po natin maalis sa madlang publiko at dito sa komitiba that you might be involved in these illegal activities.